We are back with more, and of course our major sponsor each Thursday here on Channel 6 News is Kaiser Permanente, with several fine facilities here in our area, including one just right down the street from us in nearby Irvine. Back with us today is Elena Esquivel, who is the sales executive and with the Senior Advantage program with Kaiser right here in Orange County. Welcome back to the program.
Thank you so much. It's great to be here.
Good to have you with us today.
Thank you.
We're talking about Senior Advantage today. This is your program that I guess supplements Medicare, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Tell us a bit about it and how that specifically helps our community here, our seniors.
Okay, our Senior Advantage program is a Medicare Advantage plan, and it is one of many programs that are offered at Kaiser Permanente. This year we have really great benefits, and it's a convenient and user-friendly way for our senior community to come and join and experience to be a member of Kaiser.
Mm-hmm. You have, I mentioned several different locations. I think the closest one to us is the hospital there in Irvine, but you have really clinics and facilities all over Orange County, right?
Correct. Kaiser Permanente does have, we're only about 5 minutes away from here. We have our Irvine Hospital. It's a full-service hospital with medical office buildings next to it, and we're a one-stop shop. We're a full-service.
So somebody could go there, they could see their doctor, their primary care physician, get referred to a specialist who would probably be in the same building. If they need some kind of a procedure or test, the hospital is right across the way. It's all in one campus, so to speak, without having to drive all over Orange County.
Absolutely, you're correct. You know, most of our facilities do have the one-stop shop, and what that means to our senior community is that convenience. It's user-friendly. You can come in once, you park one time, and get most services done within one visit.
We know there's lots of opportunities out there in healthcare. A lot of people are selling Medicare supplements, and of course, this is that time of the year when people can make the changes and make renewals. Talk about your specific plan for seniors. What makes it special with Kaiser?
Well, we have, you know, the integrity of knowing how to hire our physicians. You want to know who's taking care of you and when they're taking care of you. You want a plan that's going to be available to you where and when you need it. We cover more than just what Medicare covers. So, you know, there's a lot of new and different things, and as well as our electronic medical records. That's something that's really, you know, Kaiser Permanente is a front runner in technology. So we have all of these services available to our seniors, and it means, you know, more benefits to them and something that they can easily conveniently use.
You know, that's something that's been discussed in Washington as the discussion on healthcare and healthcare reform in this country. That's one thing that I think all sides of the argument agree on, is the need for more efficient medical records, and obviously you folks are ahead of the curve on that. I know President Obama mentioned that in his inauguration in the State of the Union, and you folks already have that in operation, so you won't have to play catch up. Other people are still using big fat charts and big fat files, and they have to build bigger storage rooms to hold all the paperwork for all of that. Let's talk about the timing and all this. We mentioned that this is the time of the year when people can think about making changes on their Medicare supplements. What is the time frame involved for making those changes?
Actually, for annual open enrollment, you can start November 15th through December 31st. But if, you know, for those of you that have questions now, give us a call. We're more than willing to answer any type of questions. We want to be able to give you the tools, you know, the community, everything that you need so you can make an informed decision this season. Right.
So if somebody has another provider and this is the time they could think about maybe making a change, if they want to find out what Kaiser has to offer, they can call the number there on the screen, get more information, and talk to somebody, and eventually probably someone like you, and answer the questions that they may have. Is it a very involved paperwork process? Say they're with Medicare supplement XYZ and they want to change to Kaiser. Is it just a few minutes of paperwork? What's involved there?
Right, it's just one application. With Kaiser Permanente, you will find that we have virtually no paperwork. One application, that's all it takes. Medicare takes care of everything of disenrolling you from your current plan and putting you on Kaiser, and the rest is easy. It's up to us.
You know, you provide lots of great services, and I know I asked you before the show, a lot of people are having a hard time finding places to get regular flu shots. The H1N1 seems to be taking precedent right now for certain population groups. For getting a regular flu shot, you said you folks have already been having regular flu shot clinics for your Kaiser members, so it's a good feature.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah, we have regular flu shot clinics, and they've started since early November, and they will continue for the rest of the year. So,
you know, a lot of folks like the concept of Kaiser as well, which is prevention. You know, you want to keep people from getting sick, not just treat them when they get sick. So I think that's a thing that a lot of people would look forward to. Again, if you folks have questions about that or thinking about making a change in your Medicare supplements, give them a call, and you'll be speaking to Elena or one of her coworkers and finding out more about how their program there, the Kaiser Permanente Senior Advantage, can help you and get you involved in the great programs that they have down there. Thanks for coming back. Good to have you on the program
Thank
today.
you so much. Great being here.
People can find out more information. Again, give them a call at Kaiser. And the number there on your screen is 932-2052 for additional information from Kaiser. We'll be back with more as our program for Thursday continues. Stay with us.
I'd like to go out today somewhere new. I'm on my way, you come too. We'll find a place in the sun. In the sun. Follow me. Beyond the sky we will be. Sailing high this fine day is ours to shine in the sun. In the sun.
We believe good health belongs to everyone, that it's more than some cards you keep in your wallet. It's the air we breathe, the food we eat, the communities we live in. We're Kaiser Permanente, and we're here to spread health.